It's recording. Hey guys, the Sunday service is over and we're gonna go out for a luncheon. A special one because the eldest among my nieces, ta-da! She is gonna join the big kids to play. Big kids tapos parang bata ako. Almost, partner look almost. She has stripes, I have zigzag. Explain this look, Hannah. Hannah, just keep on walking. People have to see you on the video. Oh, na-na-na-na. Na lang kayo, traffic.
That is Ann Curtis X.
Ma-art yung ones. Ay, nako. Chinese Kitchen, Chef's Bakers, T-Bone King. Lahat ito, not sponsored. You better pay me. Tapos pagkukuha, okay, mani mo go.
Thank you, Tito David. Thank you, Tito Stephen.
Guys, the baby is going to order her first beverage. Non-alcoholic, of course. But look, she's gonna do it by herself. And there she goes. She's already an adult. Did it, everybody. We're so proud.
I did this before.
She even got the stamps, everybody. I'm so proud. She's already all grown up, getting adult beverages. Actually, it's just chocolate, but okay. What happened was... I mean...
We are playing right now with the kids. Biking. This is Ate Nyla.
Hi,
We're in the Philippines. Hi, Papa Ernie.
Finished, everybody. Got my la you got it. We're done. It's my first time cutting up babies. Actually, it's the first time cutting anybody else's hair. What do you guys think? I just shaved off the sides, trimmed the top a bit. Yeah, it was not as easy because this boy kept on moving. I'm in the car with the ate.
Super cool.
Oh, why? She's getting married.
Oh, I'm so excited. Then one time, so I don't know what happened, but the box fell down. It's so funny. It's like don't put that on the internet. No, it's really. Are you kidding?
So we just finished our healthy lunch. Emphasis on healthy.
That's how you prepare for your wedding. You eat McDonald's 1 week. I'm officially the cray girl in your vlogs.
How are you the crazy one? She's crazy.
She's the crazy one.
I'm the black girl. I'm in the equality of race.
Equality, diversity,
Diversify.
family. We're the diversity family.
Age
The
range.
most good looking.
What? Throw you off the ledge.
Age range. I cannot believe I have come to that already. There.
Make ano?
Age
Wait,
range.
no. Ano, sunsilk at commercial, bilis.
It's not even.
Yes, what do you use?
I don't know, but it's very expensive.
Can we go to the coffee bean? This is Ate Liz's treat. Hindi pa
Trip or
makasalita.
treat.
Trip or treat. She got this. And we finished it.
How many?
How many?
It's 12.
Whoa.
Finished it, everybody, and this is
Meant people rich.
this is what we got.
I'm just because if you 1.5 more friends with Hannah than Gladys.
I can tell.
But I've never really hung out with Hannah.
Because
never
you're
before.
crazy.
Oh, I know.
But crazy in a good way, ate. Hindi yung like you are more young-spirited, yun. Kasi ako feeling ko I'm an old soul. And where are we now?
Nobody but you. We have to find her key.
Okay, find it. That's your...
I need a higher key.
Oh, okay. Sorry. That's.
What do I pay this guy? Why do I even walk with that?
Won't hesitate no more. Cannot wait.
Ooh, it's Kuya.
Si Kuya. Part of the band.
Please welcome. Lift the sky that you live on. Should they crumble and fall? Lift the mountains over. Should they crumble to the sea? Come on, David. No, I won't cry. I will never shed a tear just as long as you stand by me. I love it. Come on, we want to hear.
Si Koy.
Get more of this. Order ng cheeseburger a la carte and two a la carte na burger McDo. Oh yeah, tama yan.
Sabi mo Happy New Year.
Ha? 320? Just kidding. Hi! Ano introvert? I am an introvert.
She's laughing at herself.
Hello from the other side. Kuya Nilo, did you want?
Balik tayo.
Okay, backwards. Tama na, Davlo.
Tama na, tapos tumitingin ka naman sa camera.
No, I thought I feel like it's not playing.
It's not playing, it's recording. Other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, a good evening, wherever you may be. See you soon. Adios. Kumai.